My wife's birthday is coming up and I need to do some research to get some gift ideas. But if I start searching all over the internet and looking for good ideas, my phone is going to remember my searches and any websites I visit. To keep this from happening, we can use private browsing. To turn on private browsing, we'll tap the little window icon in the bottom right, then choose Private. We're presented with this message letting us know that Safari won't remember the pages we visit, our search history, or autofill information while we're using private browsing. Now I can open a new tab with the plus button down here, and we see we're in private browsing mode, and we can search to our heart's content. When we're done, we'll close our tab and turn private browsing off, returning to regular Safari, and we can keep conquering the world.